Are you searching for the best fuel injector tester and cleaner? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best fuel injector tester and cleaner in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. ANCEL AJ400 GDI 4 cylinders car fuel injector tester cleaner. ANCEL AJ400 GDI fuel injector 4-cylinder cleaner and tester can clean and test standard injectors, EFI, FEI injectors as well as GDI injectors such as for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Ford, and other direct injection engines. It comes with multi-voltages available for GDI injectors, which enables to adapt for different types of injector testing. The machine is the necessary and preferred equipment for the automotive serving and maintenance, research and teaching training departments, support for more cars and motorcycles. Can only be used to clean diesel fuel injectors. The cleaning fluid is 3M car injector cleaning fluid, and the test fluid is industrial alcohol. Its working voltage range is 110 to 220 volts. Main features: GDI full support. This equipment supports testing of various GDI injectors, support long GDI injector detection, such as for Mercedes-Benz and for BMW. Resistance test. Support the resistance measurement of the fuel injector to know the performance status of the fuel injector. Quick disassembly. The special structure design makes the disassembly and assembly of the fuel separator more efficient and quicker. Small and lightweight. The device is very small and light and easy to move. It is currently the smallest full-function test equipment for GDI injectors. Strong cleaning. The machine has a strong ultrasonic cleaning ability, which can remove carbon deposits and impurities on the fuel injection nozzle to the greatest extent. Humanization design. Adopting humanization design can make the system pressure fast restored to the default values.